Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Hyundai key fob. Here's what you need. One of these 2032 batteries, you can get these off Amazon. They're just a couple bucks, and there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. And I'm going to be using this flat blade screwdriver, and I think one about this size works best. So first thing you want to do is remove this. So pull down here, pull out your mechanical key. Now, if you have a newer model one, there's a little gap right here. Some of the older ones, this gap isn't here, and there's a video right here that'll show you how to open that one. So if you have a gap right here, put your screwdriver here, push firmly, and twist. It's pretty easy to tear that plastic up, so just be gentle with it. And then you can push your battery out right here. Take your old battery out, take your new battery, place it positive side facing up. Squeeze these two halves back together. Place in your mechanical key, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.